In this video, I will show you how to add a phone number to Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Discord. So once you're on Discord and you're logged into your account, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to come into your settings. From here, what you need to do is come across this menu on the left hand side and make sure that you're clicked onto my account. And if you look at the section at the top, you've got the option here for phone number. So you can see in my case, I've not currently added a phone number yet. So all you want to do next to phone number is click the add button just here. And then what you can do is enter a phone number that you want to add. Now, once you do this, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Just to note that your phone number can be used to verify one Discord account at a time and is only used for verification and login. So what you need to do is select your location code from here, and then enter your mobile number into the box. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but once you've done that, just click the blue send button. So at this point, it might ask you to do a quick human verification. And once you've done that, you should now receive a 6-digit code from Discord, which you want to enter into this screen here. After entering the code, you'll be asked to enter your password to confirm the changes. So once you've done that, come and click the blue confirm button. And once you've clicked confirm, as you can see, our phone number has now been added. So that's how to add phone number to your Discord account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.